Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming your My account is signed in and matches the account that holds the backup. This prevents mismatches. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and make sure your phone has at least 50% battery or is charging, because restores use significant power. Now open Settings, tap My account, then My Cloud, and view Backup. This shows timestamps and backup size so you know what to restore. Next, choose the appropriate backup snapshot to proceed. You select the backup snapshot and explicitly pick which categories, contacts, messages, photos, app data, you want to restore so you avoid unnecessary files. Then tap Restore and watch the progress indicator. Make sure not to interrupt the Wi-Fi or unplug the charger, because dropped connections can corrupt partial restores. During this phase, the phone may restart one or more times as system and app state get applied. Once the progress reaches 100%, allow background syncing to finish before using apps normally. You finish by checking contacts, gallery, messages, and the specific apps to confirm data restored correctly. This validates the process and reveals any gaps. If items are missing, go back to My Cloud and force a sync or reselect the backup snapshot and retry restoring the missing categories, since some files sync later. If restore repeatedly fails, update MIUI, clear system cache, and then attempt the restore again. This often resolves permission or compatibility problems that block completion.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.